What's up, everybody? We are gonna go to Ho'opi Falls today. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It's one of the waterfalls in Jurassic Park, which is kind of cool. So we're gonna drive there now, and we're gonna film it for you.
Gotta get bug spray.
And we have to get bug spray first, because I think there's some bugs there. So, all right, here we go. Making a quick pit stop at the Aston Islander on the beach in Kauai. The reason why we're here, because this place has the best coffee in Kauai, hands down. Right back behind me, Amua Coffee. If you ever get a chance to come to Kauai, definitely you got to stop here. Best coffee around. I'm gonna go inside and get us a couple of lattes before our hike. Made it to the first leg of Ho'opi Falls. We got some videos, some people jumping in this water. I'm building up enough courage to do it, but it may not happen. We'll see. We made it to the second falls of the Ho'opi Falls, the bigger of the two falls. This is where they filmed Jurassic Park. You can see the falls in the background, and we're about to go swimming in this swimming hole with the rope swing over there. I'm ready to get wet. It's so hot out here. Let's do it. We made it. We did Ho'opi Falls. That was so amazing. Water was so cool. And actually it wasn't too far. It was only about like a mile down. But now we're gonna go get some lunch and we're gonna chill on the beach for the rest of the day. So hope you guys are having a great time, and we'll see you next time. Aloha.